Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys because I have ordered hair for this new year. Yes, new year, new hair guys. So last week I ordered the 8-inch straight bob wig from the hair company Nadula Hair on Amazon. So you make sure you go check them. This will be my first time trying a bob wig, a straight bob wig, so I'm very excited. I'ma just hop right into the unboxing. This is my package. The shipping was very fast. That's a plus. It came in 2-3 days, yes. And I like fast shipping. So this is the box. Says Nadula Natural Durable Luxuries, and on the back you have some instructions how to take care of your wigs. So this is it guys. My wig, my Brazilian straight bob wig. The hair came in this plastic bag. Hold up. We will get to the wig in a few seconds. It comes with a pair of lashes and scalp color wig caps. There are 2 pieces in it, so I like that. And a super cute thank you card. Let me see. See, this card left 3 times. Ha 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 ha. Thanks for choosing Nadula Hair. Smart you. Of course I'm smart, Nadula Hair Company. But yeah, let's go to the hair. I'm so excited guys. It has a net on. I'm a little bit clumsy, but don't mind me. The tissue paper. So this is the hair guys. I like it so far. No shedding at all. The hair doesn't feel like cheap hair. It doesn't have a bad smell. And this is the cap. The knots are not bleached, so I'm gonna have to bleach the knots. It has the adjustable straps on the back and 3 combs to secure your wig. That's a deep parting. Very natural. So yeah, I like it. I like this wig. Stiff wear. Stiff wear.
Yes. Ooh, stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Ooh, nowhere.
Stiff what?
Well.
No.
Yes, bitch.
No stiff bitch.
No, none of that.
Shake
Oh,
bitch.
guys, I can't wait to install this wig. Oh my god. Ooh. So, this is it. The hairline is pre-plucked, but I think I'm gonna pluck a little bit more to make it look natural. And the wig is 150 density, so it's full. I like it. Yes, I love this wig guys. Thank you Nadula Hair Company. And guess what? This is my first time trying this company, so they are new to me. I'm very excited. I will keep you guys updated about this hair, the quality and more. Yes. So guys, I will drop all the information of this wig and the other hair deals from Nadula Hair Company on Amazon in my description box. So you make sure to go check my description box and Nadula Hair on Amazon. Ooh, I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like on. So if you guys want to see how the actual wig looks after I bleach the knots and cut off the lace and style the wig, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you don't miss my wig install video of this beautiful wig. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Miss Diva, grind for the best items, we doing our flex. New freezers, you the realest one on my right hand, you're my go-to. Touchdown when I'm local, nice for what? She ain't really social. She ain't looking for no man, that's so news. Stay home.